Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on how to dupe infinite money in Animal Company, or just dupe anything else. Let's get started. Alright, so, now, as you can see, I already have the duping materials laid out. This one's a bit broken. I have this, and then I have this backpack full of things that I want to dupe. And now, what you're gonna want to do is keep this for later. Don't mind that. Then come over here. Take your crowbar. And then put 2 pieces of goop on it. Like so. And now take 1 large backpack. Or just one if you only have 1 backpack you want to do. Put it on like that. And then now take this, open this, and then now you want to dump everything that's in this backpack into this backpack. It's kind of tweaking. And now this is full. And what you're gonna want to do is put this crowbar into this, put the crowbar here. First, you're gonna want to make an invention. And then dump everything back in here like this. You can see their little outlines. And then now, here, I'm just gonna resave this real quick. Now we have this, and we have this, and that worked out perfectly because the next step is putting this into the crossbow. Now it's a little challenging, but it'll eventually work. It takes a few tries. Yep. There we go. Hold on. Here, just like. Yep, it's good to thrust the hand. And now that that's in here, you're going to want to go into your stash. Don't do anything in it. And then as quick as you can, go over here. Put this on your backpack. And then join a random code. And now, what should happen once I get in, that didn't work out quite as planned. Now, but basically now what you're gonna want to do, go into your stash, and as quick as you can, go over here, there's my friend Sam, put this on your back, and then join a random code. And now, it appears it was successful. Now, you have 2
Come here.
backpacks.
Rap.
And that's how to dupe. And then you just sell the stuff, and then you're done. Alright, so now you know how to dupe and get infinite money and whatever items you want, if you already have one, at least, in Animal Company. This is Monkey John VR, signing off.